today, guys. So, guys, sorry for the disturbance. Actually, there was an error, but I fixed it as I told you. So, Imran Khan, nice job. What? Okay, let's see. So as I can see 6,611 members are watching here. So guys, don't waste the time and let's continue our trade. So today it's okay, just for 30 minutes we will make the trade and I'm going to make the first trade. Guys, if you are like listening the voice like inconvenience, not comfortable like properly, so you can write in the comment chat and I will decrease the volume of the song so you will hear it properly. So let's make the first trade and let's see what will happen in the first trade. So I'm going to make on the Asia Composite Index with the duration of the 2 minute, right? Okay, let it do be like 3 minute duration in the upward direction. Let's see what will happen for the, well, it's continuously increasing now here, so we can will delay here or we can wait here for a 1 minute, just for 8 seconds. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and let's see, it will goes to the upward. Wow, well, it's still moving in the upward direction, or it can move to the downward. Well guys, I'm going to make a 2 minute duration in the upward direction because it continuously increasing as we look here. This was here like 2 minutes before, it was here, and now after just 1 minute and 30 seconds it came back till too much upward. If I just click quickly trade here, then surely it will give me the profit and it will reach on the higher level here, you can see guys. So let's see. Well, it is coming downward, downward, downward. Yes, come back. So here it will move again to the upward after the 10 seconds, and this will be our first trade, and we will see like this will gives the profit or loss. Well guys, now it's trying to move downward. So I make a trade and we have to wait for the 1 minute, right? 1 minute 52 seconds because I make the duration just only 2 minutes. And here the blue line is moving like in the upward direction, but it can also change to go back to the downward. But here it like neutral, not moving too much upward, not moving too much downward. It like equalize, same parallel to our trade line, but the final decision will be created after the last 1 second. So we have to wait for the 1 minute 25 seconds now. Well, it's gradually decreasing too much, like it was went too much upward, but now it came back again to the downward, and we have the remaining time is just only 1 minute 15 seconds. So it can. So guys, I am saying that this first trade will be lose, like there is no profitable trade in the first one. So here only 42 seconds remaining. Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 1. And what do you think? It will move again to the upward or not? Let me do one thing, like change the duration for the 3 minute. Majid Wagisim, nice teaching. Okay guys, let's see here. Like if we discuss about the previous one, like last stream, then it was continuously moving with the profitable, profitable, profitable. But here we got first trade in the loss. So let's check the another second trade and where it will move continuously. So I'm going to make a trade now after like 5 seconds. It's okay. 3 minute duration we have. And the assessed which I'm using now, this is the Asia Composite Index. Here you can see. So now it is moving in the upward, but now came back to the downward. So whenever it goes like against to our trade line, then it will becomes the loss. And when it goes in favor of our trade line, then it gives the profit. So here it is moving now downward, then it is loss here. But when it will reach upward, like I make the up trade, so it has to be moved in the upward direction. After that we can get the profit, otherwise it will be a loss, second loss. And if I got these two losses, then I will use the martingale strategy. So I will teach you regarding the martingale strategy. We have to just wait for that 2 minutes, and what will happen in the 2 minutes, like this will be the second loss or profit. Just stay here, don't go anywhere. So here it is also looks like that it is moving to the downward, because 1 minute and yes, 1 minute and 20 seconds it approximately like just in downward. It didn't go back in the upward direction. Sometime it will happen. So last time it was like profit, 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 but this time it is like loss. So let's see today how much I will get the losses, and I am eligible to recover this lost money or not. We have to see this. So I will not take too much time, like we have just only 20 minutes, and what will we can do in the 20 minutes. So let's see, if I make it like two trades in the downward direction, then surely I will get 2 times profit instead of the losses. So here it is again trying to move in the downward. 42 seconds remaining only. So guys, only 12 seconds remaining. Let me do one thing now, which I was telling you. Now I have to use the martingale strategy. So I will increase the amount from 300 to 800, and I will explain why I am using the 800. So we have to wait for the how much time? Well, it is still moving in the downward direction, but the time is came for the 3 minute duration in the downward direction. So let's wait for the 17 seconds, and it will goes back to the upward. Look here. So 13, 12, 11, 10. We can wait for the 10 seconds at least. So here it's still moving to the downward. Wow. But after a moment it will go back again to the upward. So guys, let's see, it will go back again to the downward or movable to the upward. So we have like 3 minute duration, and I invested here 800 dirham. It means that if I got this profitable trade, then it will recover the loss of the 2 trades which I lost in the last time. So here it go back again to the upward direction. Again it's moving to the downward. Like both things are happening here, moving upward, downward, but we have to wait for the until the time will not finish. We have like still 2 minutes. So there is no need to worry about it because we have still 2 minutes and we have to wait here. 1 minute 52 seconds is remaining now. It is coming back to the upward now. When it goes again like in our favorable direction, then it will gives the like amazing excitement. So this excitement should have to be maintained and stay like this for the 1 minute 30 second. तो 1.5 मिनट बची है दोस्तों, 1 मिनट और 30 सेकेंड्स. क्या लगता है कमेंट चैट में लिखिए आप कि ये लॉस जाएगा प्रॉफिट जाएगा, क्योंकि अभी टाइम काफ़ी है, 1 मिनट 30 सेकेंड्स बची हुई है. अब तो खैर 20 सेकेंड बची हुई हैं. तो करिए, इमेजिनेशन करिए, ये प्रॉफिट जाएगा कि लॉस जाएगा. देखो मैं तो इसमें न्यूट्रल कहूँगा क्योंकि ये दोनों साइड मूव कर रही है, ये ऊपर डाउनवर्ड दोनों जगह चाह रही है. वेल यहाँ इसने अपनी डायरेक्शन अली इमरान आते ही प्रॉफिट. चलो देखते हैं, 1 मिनट बची है बस, सिर्फ 1 मिनट इज लेफ्ट. वेल इट इज गोइंग बैक टू अगेन इन दी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Now again it changed direction to the downward. Only 54 seconds we have remaining and 38 seconds remaining here. Twenty-five seconds. Only 18 seconds remaining. Creative videos. Which commodity? This is the Asia Composite Index. But Ali Imran, this is not going to be profit. Well, it's trying to move here in the profitable, but before this, like it's continuously moving in just downward direction. If I make here like any one single trade in the downward direction, then surely it will give the profit. But here it's trying to move again in the upward direction. So let's make a up trade now. Let me change the duration with the 4 minutes, because I think in the 4 minutes it will go back again in the upward direction. Here it continuously movable to the downward, downward, downward. So one time will come that it will move again in the upward direction. So still it's moving here. Like here continuous 3 losses, 300, 300, 800. If I make this 800 again and I got the profit, then this 800 will be like neutralized. After that I will make another 800, so these 300, 300 will also be neutralized. So we have to just wait here. Well, let's see, 2 minutes we can make here to down trade. Well, it's still moving in the downward direction continuously from the how much time? If we count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minutes it's continuously moving in the downward direction. If I make just 2 trades, if you like see here 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 3 minutes. 8 minutes I make here continuous trade but in the upward direction. If I make these all 3 trades in the downward direction, then surely it will give me the profit continuously. Well, now we have to think here, like it will move again in the upward or downward. So let's see. Well, here it's trying a little bit. It's going up. This is I am using here now Asia Composite Index. It looks like that it will move again in the upward direction, but here if we look it carefully, then it is trying to move in the downward direction still. So let's make a down trade again or a up trade. Or we can wait for the 14 seconds. Guys, still it's trying to move in the downward direction. Let's do one thing. 1 minute duration in the downward direction. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which coin? So guys, I make the another 4 trade in the upside, because here continuously it was moving from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continuously 10 minutes it was moving down trade. Which coin trading now? I don't know about the which coin trading now, but I can say like I'm using the assessed is the Asia Composite Index, which is giving me now 91% profitable rate. And here continuously like 3 losses, but I don't care about it, because after that I will get the profit here. So we have to just wait here. So here it's again trying to move in the downward direction, and we have remaining time is 2 minutes. Creative video, so now up. So you are thinking that it will go again in the upward direction. Well, I have to like एक वो होती है ना जिद की, मुझे तो बस एक अप ट्रेड पे ही लगाना है, अप ट्रेड पे ही इन्वेस्ट करना है. तो देखो कंटिन्यूसली मैंने जो 4 ट्रेड्स लगाई है वो कंटिन्यूस अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन पे लगाई है. अगर इन 4 ट्रेड्स के अंदर 1 या 2 अगर मैं डाउन ट्रेड कर देता तो वो देखो प्रॉफिट जाता कंप्लीटली. बट यहाँ सिर्फ एक वो जिद होती है कि हाँ अब ट्रेड ही चलने दो, अब ट्रेड ही चलने दो. 10 मिनट से वो डाउनवर्ड आ रहा है तो उसके बाद तो एक अप ट्रेड आ ही जाएगी. तो वहाँ पर फिर से मैंने एक और अप ट्रेड लगा दी है. सो वेल द थिंग इज डेट वी हैव टू वेट हियर फॉर द स्टिल 1 minute and 20 seconds here. It is trying to move in the upward direction here now you can see, but there is a little difference and little gap between the trade line and between the Japanese candlestick. Here we can see like this is our trade line, and here it's a gap. Like we can also close this trade like 800 I invested here. So if I close this trade, then I will get like 152. Here it's written completely, and because it's moving downward, if it go back again in the upward direction, then it will give the another amount, maybe in the like in the amount will be increased. So here the previous one was moving in the downward trade, a little bit was upward. It has to be go back again in the 30 second, it has to move in the upside, then we will get the profit, otherwise it will be like loss. So here we can check the how much time. Now we can't close it. Well guys, only 17 seconds remaining now. Two, one profit. Result is profitable. So after losing 2 trades or 3 trades, I got the first profitable trade. So guys, now the time is came in the upside. We have to make the another trade in the up trade. Yes, now it's profitable. Well, guys, I make the another trade with the 3 minute duration because I want to recover these two losses with the 300 in the upward direction, because here there. So guys, every time came like here it was moving continuously in the downward direction, then it is the time to came back again in the upward direction. So we have to wait for the 2 minute 41 seconds here, and it's trying to move in the upward direction. So it has to be move again in the upward direction. If I make like it just for 1 minute or 2 minutes, then it will goes like profitable. But we have the time is 3 minutes, so it can go back again to the downward. We have to just look here. So the thing is that, guys, which I want to tell you, uh, one profitable trade of the 728, which recover the amount of the 800 which I lost in the last trade. So now the loss is remaining only the two trades of the 300 and 300. If I got this profitable amount, this 800, if I got the profitable, then this trade will recover these two losses. So let's see. Wait, we can just only wait. Guys, you can write again in the creative videos on I agree profit now. Again, write in the comment chat. This will be a profit or loss. Only 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Try it now and write in the comment chat. Profit or loss. Ah, well, it's now moving to the downward direction in the end movement. Before it was moving in the upward direction. Well, the thing is that if I make the trade now in the upward direction, then surely it will go up back. Now only 48 seconds remaining, so we have to wait here. Only 39 seconds remaining. I think I have to make the duration is 4 minutes or maybe just 1 minute duration. So this one not going to be profit because it's already came downward here. Well, I will make the another trade here now. In the downward or in the upward direction. See guys, it was moving completely in the upward direction. After that it came back again to the downward direction, and it will not go back in the just 12 seconds. Well, we can wait here. This is the loss. Okay, let me change the amount with the 1800. So it will recover the previous two losses. Now we have to just focus on the perfect time on the upward or downward. It continuously moving to the downward, so the time will come again in the upward direction. We have to just wait here. "19 seconds remaining now." It looks like that it is moving downside now, but it can go back again to the upward direction because already it came back from the last 3 minute downside. So let's wait. 5 4 3 2 1 and so I make the investment of the 3 minute duration with the 1800 dirham I invested here, and let's see it will be profit or loss. If this amount will be profit, then it will recover the previous like all losses. There will be no loss if I got this profit. This is the huge profit. Let's see. It has to just move again in the upward direction, just didn't come back to the downside. Well, we have like 3 minute duration and it's trying to move again in the downward direction. So look here, it already crossed the line and now it go back again in the upward direction. Like, it's interesting trade. What do you think? Well, now I think that it will go back again to the downward direction because here the Yellow line is moving continuously upward. It gives the hope. But here the matter only matter of the blue line. Blue line is still moving to the downward. It was not moving in the upside. So here the another third biggest loss is going to be happen now. And let's see. Well, it's continuously changed completely. You were right. Creative videos down. You were right. According to that situation, it was going like downside, but it came back again in the upward direction, and now it's completely moving in the upside. And the time is remaining is still 1 minute and 26 seconds. Well, I don't think that it will go back and come back again in the upward direction in just 1 minute and 20 seconds. Well, it's trying to move again in the upward. Well, 8 seconds remaining now. It has to move, go back again in the upside, then it can be a profitable, otherwise it will be a loss. See here, it is looks like that it is moving in the upward, but it will coming back again to the downside, because only 58 seconds, guys. We have the duration is 58 seconds, and here the duration is 45 seconds remaining, and now it's going upward. It has to be move upward. After that we got the profitable trade, 45 seconds remaining now, and it has to be moved just continuously again and again. So guys, what do you think? 30 seconds remaining. Well, it came back in the profitable, but now it's trying to go back again in the downward. Well, this was really a cool trade in the upside. It has to be moved again in the upside. Well guys, I losses 3 continuous trade. After that I got the profit which recovered the previous trade. Now I invested 1800, which gives me the profit of the 1638, and it is like profitable, second profitable trade with the result, and it recovered all losses. So look here carefully guys, there is no losses now. Well, I can make here now 300 again because I came back in the profitable trade. So guys, I make another trade in the again in the upside. So creative down. आज का सेशन कितनी देर वाला, कितनी दूर वहलेगा, कितनी देर वहलेगा, कुछ समझ नहीं आया यार। पर देखो, जो इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, लाइव स्ट्रीम अब खत्म होने को जा रही है 5-10 मिनट के अंदर, बट जो मेन चीज है वो ये है कि हमने जो लॉस किया वो वापिस रिकवर कर लिया। One minute 45 seconds remaining now, and I think this is my last trade. After that I will finish this live stream. So 1 minute and 31 seconds remaining now. Creative videos up now. Well, it was moving from the last 1 minute like downside, but it came back again in the upside, so it was also going to be profitable trade now. So now we came back again in the profitable trades now guys. Well guys, after recovering all, well guys, after recover all the losses, this is the like third profitable trade in the profit amount. So there is no loss, only 5 seconds remaining now. 4 3 2 1, and it's a profit. See here, result is profit. So now I can make a 1 minute duration in the upside, and after that I will say like bye 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 bye. So guys, this is time to say goodbye to everyone. See you again in the next live stream. There is no losses, only profit and profit, you can see. Well, again a profitable, the fourth profitable trade is going one and finish. Profit guys, continuous for profitable trades. And recover all the losses, and now I am in the profit and profit. So guys, see you again on the next live stream. I hope you like this stream, and the time is finished. And yes, so don't miss the chance and subscribe the YouTube channel so you will get the notification when I'm going to be live stream. So continuous, you can see here, there is no losses, only profit and profit. The continuous 3 losses with the biggest amount is I recover all the amount with the single on the 1800. So this is really great. Bye guys, see you again in the next live stream. Don't forget, and like weekends I don't do live stream. See you on the Monday. Bye. अपडेट कर लेना, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना यूट्यूब चैनल को, ताकि आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाए। अगले मंडे को देखते हैं कि प्रॉफिट होता है कि लॉस होता है। तो तब तक के लिए बाय गाइस, सी यू अगेन, लव यू ऑल।